Definitely the interesting factor is the stackability and having just an even stronger light by adding it to each other. A special thanks to Xun for sponsoring this video. Hey filmmakers, Chung here. We are now at the Colbor booth at NAB2023 and we are looking at their brand new lights. They have come out with multiple lights right now. They have their much stronger lights of 100, the 220 and the 330. And the 330 of course is quite interesting. This is a bicolor light and they now have a tiny remote control. So this remote control, I can actually change the brightness. So by rotating here, let's see, let's rotate it all the way down. And there we go. And we can rotate it being brighter. So this makes it of course easier, so you don't have to of course download an app again and then try to see if the app works, and just have a simple remote with it. And you can actually this remote control not only the brightness but also the color temperature, but also like the green and red channel. So it's quite interesting how this works. And yeah, this light is also stackable like their smaller lights. So it's actually quite interesting what you can do with this to make a much bigger light, a much more stronger light, having multiple of these around. So they have also a quite nice design. I really like the yellow accents on their Colbor designs. And yeah, they can be powered up with a 48 volt cable or power source. The 220 has a 108,000 lux with a of course with a reflector at 1 meter, and the 350 is at 130,000 lux with a reflector at 1 meter. And definitely these are very bright figures to use. Definitely quite interesting lights to actually review and also test out and see how they actually do in a real filming environment. And of course, it is definitely the interesting factor is the stackability and having just an even stronger light by adding it to each other. But of course, it is going to be quite interesting to see what they're going to do with the stackability and also with the light modifiers, because especially with light modifiers like softboxes and more, that you can even do much more interesting things with these kinds of setup. So if you want to know more about Colbor, there'll be a link in the description below to their website, so you can check out what they do and what other lights they all got, and also what modifiers they have. So see you guys in the next video. Doei doei.